All right, guys, I'm doing the infamous walk down the aisle. The cruise ship aisle, that is, to my room. Room tour coming soon. All right, guys, I'm in room 1215 on the Carnival Sunrise on the starboard side towards the front, and I have double portholes. So let's check it out. And also, my luggage is here, so good sign. All right, guys, like I stated before, I'm in stateroom 1215. My muster station is C, like see the world. When you come in the door, there are some lights, I think, to the bathroom and to the main cabin itself. Then you have this little key card that goes in and out to keep the lights on. Let's see here what I have. Here's a closet door, which I can't open right now because my lovely nails. I'll open in a minute. Here's another one here. Look like I have 3 or 4 of them. I have nails like really bad, so long, like really long nails, sorry. But here's the hanging space. Ooh, some good hanging space. Let's see about this other one. I have to open from the top. Ooh, nice safe. I mean, my laptop probably could fit in there, guys. And then here's some more hanging space as well. It smells really nice and clean and fresh. Let's try to get back into this cabinet here. Which, oh, okay, it does this, it expands. So here are the shelves, which I love. Look like one comes down. I think it probably had a bar or something, but it's missing. Here are my life jackets, which is great to have. I'm gonna slide that back closed. Then here's the lovely AC controller, which I'm gonna put down a little bit because I am hot. Okay, so let me do it. Okay, again, here's the lights for the bathroom. Here's a bathroom. Just remember that there's a step up. Just standard Carnival bathroom, nothing fancy. Towels, toilet, ooh la la, shower curtain. And then you have the normal shower gel and shampoo. Nice little shower head. Here's a little line that you can dry your swimsuits or anything that gets wet. Nice handlebar because the ship rocks and rolls. And this is kind of what I use too for a handlebar too as well. And then here again, so safety first. Again, sorry if I didn't film that. Another bar, safety first. Guys, here I am. Hello guys. We have a couple of shelves here, a couple of shelves here. Nice storage underneath. Not much space, but you can put something underneath if need be. I'm gonna step out the restroom, step down. Oh, here are some hooks as well that you can use for your towel or hang up anything that you need to hang up. I think this could be a hook or a door stopper. Could be a hook or a door stopper, whatever you might want to make out with that. Also, I want to let you know here at the front door, there's like a little peephole that you can see out. You can slide it closed or you can slide it open, which I think is neat. So let's keep walking in the room. Again, this is on the first deck, and it is a double porthole, which I love. All of these lights, I've never had 1, 2, 3 lights by the bed. Really fancy. I have the infamous couch and a lovely size table high up as well. Couple of towels, which I think if you use, you have to bring back in a room or return it to the towel station. If not, I think they charge $25 for each towel. Nice storage right here besides the bed. You can get it open. Ooh la la. I got a king size bed because it's just me. The lovely luggage mat. More storage here. Oh my God, this room has a lot of storage. Let's see if I can get this open. Wow, I've never had so much storage in one room. Nice size TV. This is probably the biggest TV I've ever had. Connecting room. Look at all this space. There's a stool and a trash can underneath there. And then you have, let's see here, water cooler. Just keeps your stuff cool. It's just, it feels a little cool in there. Let's see here what you have. Some Carnival information here. Bunch of cruise and contact information and a hair dryer. You know, I think it does a little bit. Look like you have to hold the button for it to stay going. You have your phone. A little Carnival pad there and a pencil. Some glasses. Your water. I'm a gold member, so I just told my stateroom attendant and they'll take that off and I won't get charged the fee. So at least get one bottle of water, which is good for the cruise. A couple of shelves here, which is really nice. A mirror, again, hello. Some more information, which is great to have. And they even brought back the paper copies of the Fun Times, which you also can access on the Carnival Hub app. So let's walk a little bit more. Like I said, I got a king size bed. I think they pushed 2 beds together. Nice picture. Another storage cabinet. And then here are my 2 portholes. Look how nice that is. Again, we haven't embarked yet. I mean, yes, we haven't embarked yet from the Miami port. And then also right here, you could just sit up here if you want to. But very nice room. Very nice. Look how nice and spacious that is for 1 person. Great for 2 as well. So, take care, guys. Talk to you later. I forgot to also let you guys know that there are 2 standard outlet plugs here, and then 1 220 plug here. And then also, just to let you guys know that there is there's actually 2 USBs by the bed. And there's also a little switch. You can control the lights while you're in bed. Isn't that awesome? So you didn't have to get out of the bed to be able to turn the lights off. Okay, guys, see you later.